Up, guys? We are back with another home improvement video. If you haven't caught up on episodes 1 and 2, I would suggest you catch up on those now. So today we are getting to this wall. Okay, so I already put up the foam board to protect the wall. I did want to try to incorporate these soundproof things and also testing out the wallpaper, making sure I like the color and everything for the room. I did have some family come over because what is family for? It was literally supposed to be a cookout, and everybody wanted to help out in Amaya's room. So I'm just super excited to have everybody helping today. So since I do have some help, I was actually getting them to help me out putting some of his stuff together. Because he did get a lot of packages in for the room. So they're going to help me put some of this stuff together. And then we're going to get to this wall. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode. Let's get into it. Okay, nephew's son did his thing. He got this all together, so we got one thing down. We're gonna move on to the next. We got Sissy over here on our little Toy Story chair we got. So I know that the room is not complete, but this was like a family situation, and everybody wanted to be participated. So everybody wanted to be included. So we got everybody doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I'll show you. So I just appreciate all the help. And yes, they got this stuff done, so I didn't have to worry about this. I could focus on getting those walls done. So I wasn't mad at it. Period. um, yeah, so let's let the family finish their build, and then we're gonna get into these walls, y'all.
Hello guys, it's your boy Mason here, and we're back with another video. So today we're going to be building a chair for
Amaya.
He can like a lot of stuff, and he can like work and play and all that right here. So,
Period.
we're going to start building and finish it. So yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Y'all, it's your boy, whatever my name is in that channel. And we're just going to do another giveaway. And yeah, let's get with it.
Hey guys, it's Fair Mooney back again with another video, and I just wanted to let you know hello, hi, and hope y'all are doing well. I don't know.
Hi guys, it's me, Mariah Blue. How are you? Okay, I'm here. I'm building my next station. As you can see, it's Toy Story. I love it. It's so cute. I've been working on this. We've been working on this. It's a whole job for all of us, and we love doing it. So as you can see, hey, everybody, Woody. So yeah, we're just hooking it up a little nephew. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Oh, is he? Oh, okay. I'm happy I got him in it. He's a card game. He's a table game type of guy. Oh, yeah. He will play with like strategic that I just. That's about to die. Yeah, Joe is Max repair.
What's up, everybody? We are back with another home improvement video today, guys. I am Jasmine. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I hope you like what you see. Yes, welcome to the series, okay? I look a mess. I feel like you already know school has started and everything like that. With the kids, Amias is still here because we have some things that we have to work on. So he'll be here as my assistant, or non-assistant, I should say. But yes, it's another day, and I'm getting back to this project. I'm probably just going to be trying to roll through it. I'm giving you guys camera footage because I'm really just trying to get it done. I've been halfway procrastinating, so it's just time to get this done so I can move on to the next room. So let's just get started, guys. Let's just get started.
wallpaper, guys. I'm just gonna get right on into it. I brought a wallpaper kit as well. As y'all seen in the other footage, I was using my hands. So now we have some actual tools. This Amazon. I got this measuring tape. Little beans tray. I got the wallpaper cutter. Slicer and dicer. Smoother. I'm not on my own anymore. Let's finish this water, guys. So we still literally have half. This half, we're finished that whole half there. Just have this half. Let's go. So annoying. Look at this. So now I get all the way to the bottom, and there's a gap. It was straight. It was perfect all the way up, and then you get all the way to the bottom. So I don't want no repair work. We come so far. So I think I want to take it off, which is insane, and do it over, y'all. Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to another day of home improvements with Jasmine, aka She Have It All. So excited, y'all. Getting back to this room. So y'all know we did the big room last time, and now we have this wall right here behind me. This is going to be his projector wall or his TV wall. So the projector will be projected onto this wall, okay? But since this wall, y'all already know we did some damage control. If you don't know, make sure you catch episode 1 and 2 of Home Improvements. But y'all already know this is a sensitive area, so we're going to do the boards on this side as well. Only thing is, I don't like these gaps right here. These gaps in the board.
I worry that they're going to like really kind of show and behind the wallpaper. So I'm gonna take this clear tape and put it along the edge, just so when I put the wallpaper up, it can go on smooth and not fall in any dents. Hopefully it can conceal it, okay? And then I did go ahead and just make sure the light fixture fits. It's so cute. Of course, Toy Story themed. I gotta fix it, of course, because the screw is out, but it's cute. So yeah, y'all, we just gonna get right back into doing this wall, okay? Because we gotta get done. We still have this whole wall to do, and this will be the last wall. That wall, just have some finishing touches on that wall. That's the back wall, y'all. Of course, y'all see everything was done. So we have this whole wall completely to do, and this one we have the wallpaper to do. So let's get to it. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it's looking like after all my repair work. I did have to go up with my double-sided tape in the corners and reapply. It was a while since I've done it. Reapply the corners, but I put the tape, straightened it out. Make sure my canvas is blank and smooth and ready for action. Yeah, I always struggle with the first thing, so I didn't really want to record. I was going to try to get to this one. Okay, the corner is not as easy as it looked. I did struggle. I did also was very irritated that it was bumpy when the other wall was smooth, but hey, it still looks okay. By the time I got to the bottom, I said, the hell with it all. Still looks good, but my legs started hurting. You see, I got a couple more bubbles down there that could stand to be creased, uncreased, but I'm not doing that at this time. Maybe I'll fix it at a later date, but woo! And running out of paper again. Hey guys, so forgive my eyelash and all that. I look a mess, but I didn't close out the vlog yesterday. As y'all know, we are not done. I have to wait for more wallpaper to get here, unfortunately. So I'm going to see the little stuff that I can do until that gets here, but I want to end this vlog. Stay tuned for the next episode of Home Improvements. Hopefully we'll get these walls done, because I'm like, I got to work on Farrah room next, so that'll be a whole nother episode. But yes, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below any suggestions or how you feel about the room so far. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and stay tuned for more home improvement videos. Until next time, guys, deuces.